Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So open first the settings, tap to home screen and wallpaper and go to Always On Display option section. Click on the switcher to activate the AOD option. We could also switch here the display mode of AOD feature by tap to show, to set the schedule start and time, or to show it all day. And here we got the mark that Always On Display is not available when battery is lower than 10%. Okay, so let's just lock the device and we could see that the AOD option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.